How to complete introduce yourself step on Instagram professional account. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Instagram application on a device and make sure you have a professional account. Tap on your profile at the bottom right corner, and as you tap on it, you can see the option of one of 7 steps complete. Simply tap on it, and here you can see the option of introduce yourself. So tap on it, and here tap on create post. As a tap on create post, now you can either add pictures or videos in order to introduce yourself. So I'm simply gonna just click a picture, or you can just also post it from your gallery. So you can do whatever you would want, and as you do that, you can just tap on next. And as a tap on next, you can just add captions if you want. If not, you can just let it be and then tap on share. As you tap on share, you will be able to introduce yourself. Now tap on your profile again, and here you have still more steps to go. Now you can just tap on tell us your goals, and you can just follow all these options. Now to grow your audience, you can just invite friends by Instagram, follow accounts you know, and so on. Now you just need to follow on all this process just by doing this. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.